Hello, welcome to WebTech Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website within few minutes. Now, this is one of the easiest method that you're going to find on the internet. And in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create an e-commerce website just like this one, few minutes. And then in the next few minutes, you will get your e-commerce website up and running. And in this tutorial, you are going to learn how to customize the look and feel of your website, how to add product categories, how to customize your product look and feel. I'll also teach you how to configure your payment settings, how to edit your about page and contact page, and then how you can configure your permalink structure, how you can set up your header logo, how you can customize typography, fonts, colors, and sizes, and also how to customize your navigation menu. So that's all you're going to learn in this video. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to create a professional e-commerce website. So let's get started. Now, to create an e-commerce website, you just need basically three things. The first thing you need is your domain name, which is the URL of your e-commerce website. And this domain name is what anybody can use to locate your website or your store, just like www.mystore.com. So that is what anyone is going to put into the address bar of your browser, and it will direct them straight up to your website. Then you are also going to need a hosting provider. This is like a house of your website. This is where your website files are being stored, and a lot of other things. So you are going to need these two. You are going to need a domain name, a hosting provider, and most time domain name and hosting, they are usually provided by a single provider. Just like every hosting company also offer domain name. Yeah, they also sell domain names. Every web hosting company also sell domain name. And then the third thing you're going to need is just your PC and an internet connection. As you all know, that is very essential. Let's start from the hosting and domain name provider. There are a lot of hosting and domain name provider, but personally for me, I use just two. I use the Namecheap, and then I use the Hostinger. These two hosting providers are the best hosting providers I have used so far, and they are very, very much affordable. Let us start from the Namecheap. Let us check some of its review on Trustpilot. So as you can see on Trustpilot, they have 4.1, but for me, if I would have to rate them, I would rate them 5.0. Just like this guy, it says they have excellent customer service, which I also confirmed that. Okay, SSL purchase. They are very good reviews on Trustpilot, and I've been using them for about 3 years now. And for me, I've not complained because even if they appear to be any downtime, their customer service is always active and they respond to me within minutes. So I would recommend using Namecheap. So let us check the Osinga and let us check its reviews. So you can see it here, and it's have 4.6. You can see, you can see. I mean, this is a very, very great hosting provider. They have a lot of services, they have a lot of offers, and it is very much affordable compared to similar ones with the same offer. It's very much affordable, and they have a very good security system. So you don't need to be afraid of your website being hacked or anything. So for me, I would recommend Hostinger and Namecheap. So those are the two best hosting provider. Now, right now, let me teach you how to create an account with Namecheap. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be making use of the Namecheap hosting provider. So to do this, just click on the link in my description below. I'll put both the Namecheap link and the Hostinger link in my description below. So this is Namecheap. Once you click on the Namecheap link, this is what you're going to get. and then you can see they have a lot of offers. And then the first thing you need to do is to go to hosting, then click on shared hosting. Once you click on shared hosting, you will see 3 plans available: the Stellar Plus, and the Stellar Business. And then you can also change your billing cycle. They have the monthly, they have the yearly, and they have the 2-year plan, depending on the one that works best for you. For example, since you are making use of, or let me say, since you are creating an e-commerce store, I would advise that you go with this Stellar Plus. So let us check some of their features. They have, for this Stellar, it has free domain name. You can see .fun.host, .online, .site. These are the free domain name it offers. Then it can host up to 3 websites. Then it has 20 gig SSD, 30 mailboxes, and then website builder. But we won't need the website builder since we are making use of WordPress. Then for the Stellar Plus, we have the free domain name, and then we have unlimited websites, unlimited SSD, unlimited mailboxes, all the backup. And then for this Stellar Business also, we have the same thing, and also we have the cloud storage and the auto backup here. For the sake of this video, let us go with this Stellar Plus. So just click on get started, and you are going to get this page. This is where you can link your domain name to your hosting provider, because if you want to create an hosting account, you are going to need to attach a domain name. That is why I said they work hand in hand, and that is why every hosting provider also provide domain name. You can either choose existing domain name. Maybe you've registered a domain name on a Namecheap account, or you want to buy a new domain name. Just click this new purchase and search for domain names. Let me just search for anyone. And then once it is available, you can see that the .com is not available. The .fun is available at $0 per year. This is one of the free domain names that they actually want to offer. The .online, these are free for the first year. This .com is just $3. This .biz is just $2.78, and the rest are just free. So, but if you want to go with the .com domain name and it's not available, just search for any other one. So let me just write this one, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be available. And see, but it is available at a very discounted rate, just $5.48 a year because of the plan we choose. So click on connect to hosting, and this $5.48 per year will be automatically added to this, and the total amount is $40.54. Then click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you are going to get this page where you can confirm your order. You have to check some things. If you want to add something, if you want to add the auto renew, if you want to add hotels, all this business email or stuff like that. But business email comes automatically. You can find it in your cPanel, so you don't need to enable this. So then click confirm order. All right, so once you click on confirm order, you'll be asked to log in or create an account. So for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. But if you don't have an account, fill all this, create an account, and then just click on create account and continue. So once you register the account, you are going to be directed to this page. And when you are directed to this page, this is where you can add your credit card details or your debit card details. And if you're a Nigerian, that you can't add your credit card or your debit card detail because of the limit that the government has put on all debit card as regarding international transactions. You don't have any issue, just download the cheaper cash app, and I'll drop the link to download it in the description below. Just download the app, and then you can get a free dollar card where you can use to make online payments as much as you can. So write the name, and then your first name, then the address. You can either choose to take this or not. And once you are done, click on continue. And once you click on continue, you will get the page whereby they will show you the summary of this transaction. Then you are going to click on pay now. So once you click on the pay now, you will then be directed to a page that confirms your order. And once you've gotten that, you will be directed to your dashboard. And let me show you what a dashboard looks. So this is what a dashboard looks like. This is actually one of the hosting that I already have before. So I just want to show you how this works using this hosting. So you will see the domain name you purchased here. For this, I already purchased 2 domain here. Then if you want to check all your domain names, click on this domain list. If you want to manage your hosting, click on this hosting list. And right now, I'm going to teach you how you can install WordPress. To install WordPress, it is very easy. All you need to do is to access your dashboard, then access your cPanel, and then install WordPress. So the process are very easy, and I'm going to take you through the process step by step. And to install WordPress, go to your cPanel, click here. And then if you're using Namecheap, you find a WordPress manager here. Or if you're using another hosting provider, you can install WordPress via Softaculous Apps Installer, or you can just click WordPress right here. So you can either use this, or this, or this. Let me just click this. You are going to get the same page, the exact page. And you're going to see WordPress right here. And then you're going to click on install. Once you click on install, you'll be asked to select the domain name that you want to install WordPress on, and just choose this subdomain name I created for the sake of this video. And then choose your site name. You can always change this data, don't forget that. And then site name, let me just write. And then let me just choose the same thing for the site description also. And the admin username, let me write the admin. And the password, let me just write. Anyone can use anything in this admin email. It can be your normal email or a business email. So you can just write anything there. If you want to install any plugin, or you want to pre-install any plugin, can take the ones you want to install. But for me, I don't need any of this for now. Just click on install. Then you have to change the password. Okay. So click install. And just wait for some few minutes. Sometimes it just takes less than a minute, just like this one. And then you can preview your website here. You can see the WordPress has been installed successfully. And then the Softaculous Apps Installer. So go back to that. And then this is the URL to log into your admin dashboard. But if you click it from here, you are going to be automatically logged in to your admin dashboard. But if you open it in another browser, it won't display like this. So if you are to open this link in another browser, you have to log in with using your username and then your password. That is how to install WordPress. The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to install the theme. For the sake of this tutorial, we are going to make use of the Astra theme. And in order to install it, just go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Once you get this page, click on Add New. And you are going to see the Astra theme around this side. You can see we have the Elementor theme and we have the Astra theme. Just click Install and activate. And just follow this process. Next thing you're going to do is that you're going to install this plugin. This is a required plugin. Just install the plugin. The starter template is actually a plugin. Once you install it, it also activates by itself. Alright, you see it has been activated. Then you'll be asked to select your page builder, and I will be using Elementor in this video. Just click Elementor. Then you will see some amazing templates that you can choose from. You can also filter it by clicking this e-commerce. This will display all e-commerce templates that you can use, and most of them are actually free. Let us check some of them. This one is a premium theme. This one's a premium theme. Let us check how this one looks like. This is actually a skin cleanser store, and let us check how it looks like. Now let me hide this so I can view it very well. You can see how this looks, and this works pretty well. Let us check another one. Just close this, and let us check another one. Let us check this one. Okay, let me hide this. You can see how this looks. And when you're selecting templates, you don't need to focus on the colors or the fonts, or you can easily change that later. Let me just check for another one. Let me check this patch shop, and let me hide this. You can see how this looks. Don't worry, you can change everything later. And let me use this store. Let me use this template. Just click on skip and continue. You can always change your logo later. Click on skip and continue, and then you can choose any color that you want, or you can even use a custom color later. Just go with this, and then the fonts, you can change the fonts to anything you want. Let me use this Montserrat font, and click continue. Then click start and build, or click submit and build my website. Okay, so you're going to wait for some few minutes or seconds so that this will actually install, and all plugins will be automatically activated. Just wait, and then we are good to go. Okay, the website is ready, and you can see it took just 1.5 minutes to build. That is 1 minute and 30 seconds. And let us view our website. You can see how the website looks. Now the images are not there. I will show you how to add all the images one after the other. Alright, let us customize this website. Let me customize this home page so that you can see how it works. To do this, click customize right here. And then after clicking on customize, you are going to get this page. You're going to get all this. And the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to customize our header. To do this, just go to your header builder. And you can see right here the site title and logo, which means that in logo is supposed to be here. Then we have the primary menu right here and the cards, the account, which is this icon. So let us first change our logo. To do this, click here and select the logo. I will just upload a logo from my file. Alright, this is the logo I created on Canva. I'll upload it and then click on select. So I'll crop it. Oh, I can't really see it, so let me just see if this is going to work. I'll just click on crop image. Okay, you can see it worked perfectly. The next thing is that, okay, let us publish it and see how it looks first. So let me check the website and see how it looks. If you notice, the logo is not showing here, which is a very minor thing. To correct this, click customize transparent header, because this right here is a transparent header. Click on it, customize transparent header. and untick this. Once you uncheck this, I will publish it and then view our website again. So let me just click on publish and let me refresh this. You can see what the logo looks like, but if it is too small, you can increase the size bracket and by clicking here again and then increase the logo width and increase it a little bit. Don't mind this the way it looks here. It will look very well on the live website. So let me refresh it again. You can see it is quite bigger. The next thing I'm going to do is to change this background picture, and to do that I'm going to edit it with Elementor. Now before I do that, let me show you how to access all your website pages. Just go to your dashboard by clicking here. You can see the dashboard. Let me open this in a new tab, the dashboard. Once you already access the dashboard, go to your pages. This is where you can find the list of all the pages on your website. Alright, so when we edit this on page, click edit with Elementor. Once you click edit with Elementor, you can see 3 icons here. This is where you can add a new section above this section. This is where you can edit this section, and this is where you can delete this section. But like I said, that we want to change the background picture. So what you're going to choose is the edit section. Obviously, just click on the middle icon. You can see edit section, then go to style. This is where you can see the background picture. Just click on it. And let me upload an image, a picture I downloaded from on splash.com. You can find it here. So this is it. I will just select this and wait for it to finish uploading. And then I will click on select. So you can see that it looks perfect. And also you can increase or decrease the opacity of this background. To do this, just go to background overlay, this right here. Just click on it and you can see where you can increase or reduce the opacity. If you want it to be a little more darker, if you want it to be a little lighter, and choose it. So I'll just stop with this. I don't want it to be too dark and too light. I think it's moderate like this. And if you want to increase the size of this, you can see the minimum height is set to 96. You can reduce this to make it more smaller. You can see depending on what you actually want, or you can increase this to be 100%. So let me just set it back to 96 and then click update. Don't forget to always update your website just in case your laptop is faulty or your laptop goes off, so that you can see the progress that you have worked on. You can also customize some elements here, like this new plan, this shop now. You can edit this text. You can see here. You can change it to anything you want. Just edit the text and type in anything you want here. You can see, let me just type random things. Like instead of new plans, I'm going to write new products. You can see new product. In this shop now, you can change the link. For example, once you click on it, you can see the link. If you wanted to link to your shop page, all you need to do is to go to your pages, then copy the link of the shop page. You can see, click this view. Or another thing you can do is to check your own page at first, and then you can easily copy the link there. So this is the link, I guess. This is the cart. This is cart. This is accounts. Okay, if you can't find it here, just copy it here. Let's see if it's here. It's not here. You can copy it here. You can see, click this view, then copy link address, and you can paste it here. Then we are good to go. All right, let me show you how you can add a new product to your online store. Go to your dashboard. go to your dashboard, then click on products, then click on it. You can see some of the demo product. Now, if you install a demo template, we always find demo products and demo posts. You see all these demo products. You can either choose to add another one, or you can delete this one, or you can edit this ones. The easiest way to actually add new product is to just edit the previous ones, and you can easily duplicate it so that it will save you the time and stress of editing it over and over again, starting over and over again. This one just works with a template. If you just click on the view so that you can check how it looks like. This is how the product page is going to look. You see, so you can easily use the same template for it. Okay, let me just copy. Let me edit this. Click edit. Since it is edited with Elementor, that was why you saw edit with Elementor. And then there's a regular price and a sale price. This is where you can add the product gallery images, and this is where you can add the product image. The product image is the major image that will be shown to people. Or these product galleries, they are like the other images apart from the main product. There are different kind of products. We have the viewable product, we have the group product. Let me just go with the downloadable product. If you want to sell a downloadable and a virtual product, just take these checkboxes. And this is where you can add the file you want to go to buy. Then the download limit, you can set any download limit you want. And also the number of days before the link will expire. So you just set the number of days there. And let me try to check other places it is in stock. And then the attributes, this is majorly for clothing. I see the size or color. Then the advanced. You want to add the purchase notes. Or I think this is actually all I need. And let me try to add the product image. I downloaded the product image from freepik.com just for a personal use. And this is a product. Let me just add this input cover. If this doesn't work, first try to reload this and let us upload it again to see if it will work. Yeah, don't forget you've set this to virtual products. And let me update this first. And I will upload the product image again. I think the image is corrupted. I will upload another one. And just upload another image. Yeah, this. So this should work. And then set product image and updates. Okay, let us view our products. This is how the product is going to look. The next thing I want to do is I want to edit this single prong reader and then also the URL, which is the URL slug. So let us do that very quickly. Click edit products. And let me just change this to the name of the book, Create Your Own Business. And for the URL also, and we use the same thing. I'll say create your own business and update it. Let us edit with its Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. And now you can edit all these ones. This is the description. You can edit them, edit the background picture by clicking this edit, and then you can easily change this one to anything you want, and also the text and all this. Now for this, you will edit this via the product categories, this plant accessories, and I will teach you how to edit your product categories right now. Before I do that, let me try to edit some things here. First, let me paste this here. You can see, you can easily edit anything. Just click on it. You can edit it. Let me try to change this one also. Let me see. I'll just change it to any random image. So you can use any image you want. But this is just for an example. You can see how it looks. It looks very nice. Let's see how it looks. Can either edit or delete this one. Can edit or delete this one. Let me show you can do this. Like I said, click on this delete inner section, and it got deleted. And let me update it. Now let us edit the product category. Go back to your dashboard. Now this is your dashboard. Go to products and click on the categories. Here you can see the list of all the categories on your website, but I don't need to edit this one. All I need to do is just to delete everything here. Just select it and click on the bulk actions, and we're going to delete it. Click delete and apply. So we can always easily add a new category here. There's nothing special in that. For example, let me just write business. Then it's log. It's like the URL, the same thing. And then if you want to add a description, just add it here. If you want to add a thumbnail, you can add it here. I will just add the new category. And the product we added, I'm going to change it to this category, this business category. Let me do that very quickly as I show you. So these are the products, and then you can easily do this via the quick edit. It's very easy. You can see the categories are all categorized. I'll just do the quick edit click here and easily change the category. You can see product categories on take this and take this. Yeah, business. And then let us update it. And let us go to the home page again. Or let it have, as I said, via space, the pages and the home page, the home. So I will edit with its Elementor in a new tab. I will just close the former one. I'll close the other pages. And let us scroll. You notice this product has rated Y. If you click on it, you see short code, and this short code, there you can see visibility, visible category. Or I have deleted all these categories and I have added a new one. I will just delete all these ones. Now, what is going to be here? It is the URL or the slug. Let me show you what the slug is. Product and categories. This is what the slug is. So business, I'll just write business. Let me copy it. And then I'll just paste it here. So you can say business, but if you delete this business, all the in product images will be added. I'll show you like this. But if you want to add one or two categories and you don't want the all categories to be visible, just put the only category. But you can always separate each category with a comma and can add the URL log of each category and click updates. Now, let me show you how to edit your product page. Let me go back to the home page and I will show you something how to edit your product page. And then let us click the plants. The plants is where your stores, your products are. And then I will choose this. So you can actually edit this whole page. If you notice, this has changed business and category business, and click on customize. We have been here before, but I just want to show you another feature that is here or you might not know about. You can either edit your website layout by going to global, and then you can easily check your container layout, sidebar layout, and everything. For this single product structure, this is what this page contains. This category, this is it, the title, this is it, the ratings. It's not here yet. So you can disable this category, can disable it and wait for this to finish loading. And you see that this business will have disappeared. So this business is no more there. And what else? Then the price, can either disable the price or you can leave it. Let me see how it's going to look. But it doesn't look good if you disable. We just enable the price, and there are a lot of other ones, description and the add to cart. Then the enable shipping text, this plus free shipping. You can just disable that if you don't want to enable the shipping text. You can see the text has disappeared. I think we are good to go with that. And also enable sticky add to cart. Let me show you how this thing works. You can add the add to cart button at the top or at the bottom, that it will be sticky. You can see how this looks, or you can add it to the bottom. Let's see how it looks. But let me just disable it. I don't need it for now. And click on publish. Okay, this is expected to start working instantly once you click on publish. And you can easily edit your product. Let me show you the dashboard once more. Here is the dashboard, and then product categories. Just all products. Yeah, that's what I want to show you. All products. All right, you can edit each of these, or you can duplicate it, or you can add a new product from scratch, and you can just do that at your own time. For example, I used one as a sample, and I believe that you would have known what I did, and you can also repeat the same process for each and every product right here. And if you want to add any payment gateway, I mean for your customers to easily make payment, that is pretty easy. Just go to these payments and click on it. You see where you can set up everything, every payment method you want to integrate. And let me just select this. As you can see, you'll be asked to set up your store. Just follow all these steps. And then you will be asked to follow some process also. And once you are done following the process, the next thing you will do is to go back to your dashboard, and then you will go to the WooCommerce settings so that you will see the payment method and where you can add it. Just go to the WooCommerce, and you can also select all these. You can just follow all these ones, choose your theme, set up payments, and a lot more. But go to settings and go to payments. This is where you can see what you want to, the kind of payment method you want to use. You see Alipay and a lot more. For anyone you want to select, just take it. And you can also do cash on delivery. But if you can't find anyone you prefer, maybe PayPal, you can easily install PayPal via your plugins and activate it, then set it up. Just click finish setup and it will guide you through the process of everything. To install a new one like PayPal, let me just show you how to do that. Go to plugins and go to admin. And once you get here, click search for PayPal. Once you get here, you will see a list of some plugins, and make sure you use the one with a very good review. This one has the highest active installation, but I think the lowest reviews. 2 star is very bad, but this one, I think this one is much more recent and it works well. Just install this one and activate it. Click activate. Once you've activated it, this is what you are going to get. Close this. You can also install Stripe. You can click here, install now, and then install Stripe. Let me go back to the settings and payments. I'll say this is Stripe. You can activate it and set it up. Then PayPal is already there. Activate it and set it up. And then just follow the process and you are good to go. Let us go back to the home page. And if you notice there's a page called the About page, let us check what this page is for. Click on the About page. You will see how it looks like, the picture. There's no much thing here. Now let us work on this page a little bit. Click Edit with Elementor. This About page is just a page of your brand or of your website or of your company. This is where you can introduce the people what the company is and what you do. Once you've clicked Edit with Elementor, you can edit literally anything here. All you need to do is just to click on it and then you can easily edit it. This About this is it. Once you edit anything, you can see. And this also, the title, work about, what can I do or what can I put there? Just write about web tech stores. So there it is. And for this picture, okay, this is actually a video link. Just paste your YouTube video there, or you can delete it and you can do anything with it. And don't forget, you can always add new elements, and I will show you. This is, I think, okay, story. This maybe the founder or the owner of the store with like a quote or something. And if you don't want it, you can easily delete it. Just right click and get this, and you see delete. This also, right click on it, delete. You can do that. Just do that for anything you want to. Just move your mouse and right click on it. You can duplicate, copy, paste, copy style, paste, and do a lot of things and delete. In the gallery, if you want to display some pictures of your company, you can do that right here. But if you don't have any pictures, you can easily download pictures online, like on Splash or anywhere. Can get a lot of pictures. And to view all the elements, just click there and then you can scroll The ones that are logged are actually for the Elementor Pro, which you can easily get that by using the link. If you want to buy Elementor Pro to get more features, just click the link in the description for the Elementor Pro. You can always edit everything, all the elements. Just click on anyone you want to edit. And you can also edit the inner section by clicking on that icon. And then you can then scroll. You can click on these two, or you can just scroll and then click on anyone that you want to click. That plus sign is to add new element. Once you click it, you will get that. And then you can easily drag any element you want to. Then like the image, you can see, and then you can easily choose your image, the image you want to choose. And you can also get free images powered by Pixabay. Just click on that and then you will see a lot of images. Let me just choose anyone for an example and show you how this looks like. So I'll just this and then just save and insert. So it will download on your hosting and then it will be installed or it will be visible on the website. All right, you can see how it looks like. Then let me just delete that since that is just a practice. You can easily add any element that you want to add as much as you can. You can add an element, you can edit the section, you can delete the section or the column or the inner section, anyone. So don't forget to click update. It is very important. Always make sure that you update your website after any change. And I'll work on the contact page also. There's the same thing, the same process with the about page. The contact page. So I'll just edit with this Elementor, which is the page builder that we are using, the Elementor page builder. So just wait for some few seconds for the Elementor page builder to load. Okay. So now you see how it looks like here. And you can edit anything here. Just click on whatever you want to edit and you can change the text, the colors, and anything you want to change. For example, let me click this get in touch. Once you click on it, you will see where you can edit it. Or this, you can also delete this if you don't want to. If you want to delete it, just right click on your mouse and then you are going to see where you can delete it like this. Delete, and that is very easy. If you want to edit any of these, just click on it and you will see where you can edit them. You can see the visitors and the address. But if you don't have a physical address, you can also delete this. But if you have a physical address, then you can include the physical address. You can see the email and some other ones. Then the social media icons also. Once you click it, we just edit them one by one after the other. Just click on any logo, paste your Instagram link, and also for Pinterest, for Facebook and YouTube, it is the same process. So let me check the Pinterest. Once you click on it, you see where you can put the link, the Facebook, where you can put the link. If you want to add any other social icon, just click add item. You can easily check for any logo. Just select your logo and then put your link and you are good to go. And I think this is the map. I'm not sure. But let it load. Yeah, it is actually the map. If you have a physical address, then you can update the map. But I don't need this, so I'm just going to delete it using that third icon. So for this contact form, this you can easily edit this using WP forms in your dashboard. And let me just update this first. Now, if you want to set where the email address will actually be sent to, you can easily do that. But on a default mode, it will be sent to the administrator email address. You can see contact form. So if you want to edit that, you can easily do that using the dashboard. Yeah, you can edit that. You will see it, the WP forms. But I said earlier that the default is the administrator email address that you input while installing WordPress. But if you want to change that, I will show you how you can change that also. Now let us go back to the dashboard. You can see what I'm talking about. The WP forms is there. So click on it and you will see the sample contact form. And we're actually using the sample contact form. If you notice earlier, it displayed the name. That is what we are going to use. And click edit. Then go to settings. You should see where you can change that. I'm not sure it's here. Then it should be in settings. I think under notifications, it should be under not, okay, let me check this, but under notifications. Okay, let me click this. Yeah, you can see send to email address. The admin email, it is automatically the default email address you input in the admin email while installing WordPress. But if you want any custom email address, just delete that admin email, delete it, and then you can easily write your email address, maybe victor@gmail.com, webtechguide@gmail.com, anyone, just paste it there, and then when anybody fill in the form, the details of the person will be sent directly to that email address. Now, let us preview our website again. And let me customize it to show you how to edit the colors and the typography. If you want to edit the colors and typography, just go to that customize. Once you click on it, you will see where you can edit it, which I am going to show you right now. And click the global. You can see the typography. You can choose any typography you actually want. It is very much easy. Just choose the typography. You can choose anyone you want actually. You can either select a preset or you edit it one after the other by just clicking either get the base font, the body font, or anything. Or for example, you can also likewise choose the preset, just anyone. You can see how it keeps changing, and then you can also edit it manually by changing the font one after the other. Once you click, if you click on the body font, you will see okay, very soon it should display now. Okay, as you can see, you can change the font family individually. This one you can change this from the lato to any font that you want to. You can move on to the headings font also, and you can change that also. Okay, you can see it is the Montserrat, so you can easily change it to any font that you like. Once you click it, you can change it to any font that you like, and you can edit all the font from H1 to H6. Once you are done with that, back and then go to the colors. This is where you can change the colors also. You can either choose a palette that is there, or you can easily write a custom code, custom colors, and just drag anything, and then you can select your colors as you want, and you can also edit the colors individually. The theme color, the accent color, you can change it to any color that you want. So drag it, you can easily drag it, and then you can change the links color also, edit color. As you can see, the background color, the content background color, you can change it to anything that you want. And also the body text color, it is selected as black, like you can see the new product, and all these ones, they are black. If you want to change the color, you can just click the body text and the edit color. And you want to edit the links color also, you can see the over is red, the normal is black. You can easily change it, and once you are done changing it, click on publish. Don't forget to publish it, and you can always check for any other thing that you need to work on. This is actually very easy. You can just play around everything and just choose anything you want to work on. And right now, let me show you how to edit the navigation menu. Go back to your dashboard, or we are going to do it as also in the dashboard. And you can easily okay, let me check the admin dashboard. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. Scroll down to locate the appearance and click menus. All right, you can see everything. The shop page, you can edit the navigation label. Let me just input shop. You can edit any label. Just click on the menu or the label, anyone called, and then you can easily edit it. You can say I change this product. You can drag it up, down, anywhere you want, any location you want. You can easily drag it anywhere, and also you can also change dates or remove it. You can remove anyone or add anyone. If you want to add the page, click view all, and then you can easily tick the boxes and click add to menu. Let me uncheck it. And if you want to add the post also, you don't need to add post in the navigation menu, but And the custom links, you can also use custom links in the URL and the link text. Just paste it there and then click add to menu. And the categories also, you can add categories also. That is, if it works best if you are creating a blog. But for this e-commerce, you don't need that. Just save the menu and let us check back our own page, and I will refresh the page. Okay, let me open it in a new tab and show you how it now looks. You can see it's already changed to product, not that anymore. It's already changed to product. So that is how you can easily edit a e-commerce website. You can also you can play with some of the features that are there. This Elementor WordPress has a whole lot of features on it. You can edit anything you want, and I know that I have provided you the foundational knowledge you need to know. And you can easily work on this yourself. You can easily add a new element, edit it, or a new section, edit a previous section, or delete a section. You can add images, videos, can add a product, you can add anything you want to do. This is what you need to create a really professional e-commerce store. And then you can also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video and comment below